Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Your Name, and today we're diving into the exciting world of investing. Now, you may have heard the term thematic ETF tossed around in financial conversations, but what exactly does it mean? Well, you're in the right place to find out. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about how trends and themes in society can shape the stock market? For example, think about how technology, sustainability, or healthcare can influence investment decisions. That's where thematic ETFs come into play. So, what is a thematic ETF? Simply put, a thematic exchange-traded fund, or ETF, is a type of investment fund that focuses on a specific theme or trend in the market. Unlike traditional ETFs, which typically track a broad index like the S&P 500, thematic ETFs allow investors to target specific industries or trends that they believe will drive growth in the future. Let's break this down further. Thematic ETFs usually focus on sectors like technology, renewable energy, artificial intelligence, or even social trends like gender equality and diversity. They allow investors to align their portfolios with their values and interests, while also potentially capitalizing on market trends. For example, let's take the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, ticker symbol BOTZ. This fund focuses on companies involved in robotics and AI technologies. As automation becomes more prevalent across various industries, investing in this ETF could give you exposure to the companies leading the charge in innovation. In fact, according to a report by McKinsey, it's estimated that by 2030, automation could increase global productivity by 0.8 to 1.4% per year. That's some serious growth potential. Another great example is the Invesco Solar ETF, ticker symbol TAN. This fund invests in companies involved in the solar energy sector. As the world increasingly shifts towards sustainable energy solutions, solar power is gaining traction as one of the most promising alternatives. According to the International Energy Agency, solar power could supply a quarter of the world's electricity by 2050. That's a significant trend that could have a substantial impact on the companies in this ETF. Now, you might be wondering, how do these thematic ETFs actually work? Thematic ETFs typically use a set of criteria to select their underlying assets. Fund managers will identify companies that fit the theme based on various factors, like revenue exposure to the theme, growth potential, and market trends. They then create a diversified portfolio of these companies. It's important to note that while thematic ETFs can offer exciting growth opportunities, they can also come with higher risks. Since they focus on specific themes, they can be more volatile than traditional ETFs. For instance, if the theme falls out of favor or if there's a significant market downturn, the ETF could be negatively impacted. Therefore, it's essential to do your research and consider your risk tolerance before diving into thematic investments. Let's also discuss the fees associated with thematic ETFs. Like all ETFs, thematic ETFs come with management fees, which can vary from one fund to another. Typically, thematic ETFs might have slightly higher expense ratios compared to traditional ETFs due to the specialized nature of their investments. Always check the expense ratios and other fees before you invest. Now, if you're considering adding thematic ETFs to your investment strategy, here are a few tips for you. 1. Research the theme, understand the underlying theme and its potential for growth. Is it a short-term trend, or does it have long-term viability? 2. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. While thematic ETFs can be exciting, it's crucial to maintain a diversified portfolio to mitigate risks. 3. Stay informed. Thematic investing requires staying updated on market trends and news. Make it a habit to follow relevant sources to keep tabs on your investments. 4. Invest for the long term. While some themes may have short-term spikes, many require a longer horizon to realize their full potential. Be patient. 5. Consult a financial advisor. If you're unsure about where to start, consider speaking with a financial professional who can guide you based on your individual financial goals. In summary, Thematic ETFs provide a unique way for investors to focus on specific trends and themes that resonate with them, while also tapping into potential growth opportunities. From robotics to renewable energy, these funds offer a diverse range of options to align your investments with your interests and values. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on investing and finance. And don't forget to leave a comment below. What thematic ETF are you most excited about? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching and happy investing!